3 to 7% of Americans are diagnosed with Gilbert's disease, according to the U.S. Department National Library of Medicine. And with this percentage, it is easy to understand why so few people are aware of it. However, in 1901, symptoms were first described according to the National Organization for Rare Disorders. So what is it? Gilbert's disease is actually a very mild genetic disorder, and both parents must carry the gene, which is UGT1A1, in order for this disorder to actually develop. Gilbert's disease affects the liver specifically. So when your body's unable to process bilirubin due to reduced liver enzymes, we start to see symptoms. So what is bilirubin? Bilirubin is produced when red blood cells break down, and their toxic form is actually converted to a non-toxic form. This is when a yellow substance is created as a waste byproduct. So if your body is not able to eliminate the bilirubin through urination or in a bowel movement, we see the symptoms of this disease actually come out. Everything is actually building up in your bloodstream instead of passing through at this point. Most symptoms are mild, like I described before. What we see, though, when symptoms do appear, is jaundice. Jaundice is the yellowing of the skin, your mucous membranes, and the whites of your eyes. Treatment is not necessary. However, there are other disorders that are caused by the same gene, and that can create life-threatening issues. With Gilbert's disease, there are a handful of things that can contribute to the symptoms, such as stress, mental stress, emotional stress, physical stress. Illnesses can contribute to the symptoms, vigorous exercise, dehydration. Your body definitely needs to be hydrated at all times. And without that hydration, things aren't able to process adequately through your body. Alcohol consumption can increase the symptoms, which causes the dehydration, which increases the symptoms. And long periods of time without food. Your body needs food in order to have energy, in order for your body to properly process everything within its system. Again, though, there are 30% of patients with Gilbert's disease that never form symptoms, according to the National Library of Medicine. And this is why so many people are actually unaware of this condition until a blood test is completed. And without symptoms, there's no real need for tests to actually be completed. So once a diagnosis has been made, if you have had a blood test done showing this, there's consistent monitoring of the liver that's beneficial to confirm that things are working properly. So awareness of your condition gives an individual the opportunity to maintain health and prevent symptoms from appearing at all. Thank you.